my channel, Ria's Glam Life. Today we're going to be doing, I'm going to try to do a quick get ready with me, and let's chop it up. So today we're going to talk about, you know, if you are trying to start your own YouTube channel, the ins and outs kind of sort of thing. This is a video that I feel like is out there, but it's not out there because I feel like people tell you to do the wrong things. In a lot of videos that I watched when I was first starting, a lot of people said, do sub for sub. That was their big thing, do sub for sub. And sub for sub just don't work. So if you are coming onto the YouTube platform, stay away from sub for sub. In fact, I think now it's in a policy where you know, your channel can get banned or this, that, and the other. So just steer clear of sub for sub. It doesn't work anyways, because the people that you sub to get sub back to, they end up taking their sub away, or it ends up being a bogus account, and YouTube ends up deleting it. And guess what? You did all of that subbing for nothing. There's a lot of live streams that offer sub for sub that don't work either. I will say I did meet a few good people that I'm still sub to. So, I mean, it doesn't work, but if you can get lucky, you'll meet some nice people. I've met a few people on there, and I'm pretty sure that they will agree as well. It don't work. The people, and if you do get people and they do stay subscribed, they're not active. They're just a number added to your subscriber account. Another thing that I would say to do is find your niche. Do what you like to do. Don't follow the trend. In fact, stay away from the trend. Okay, stay very far away. Because following the trend, that don't work either. Most of the time, especially if you're new, following the trend will just get you stuck at the bottom. Because people are only going to watch the people with, YouTube is only going to recommend the people with the bigger numbers. The people with the bigger numbers are going to be seen first, and you're going to be at the bottom trying to follow a trend. Don't follow the trend, be the trend. And it's hard to set yourself apart because there's so many different people on this platform, and everybody's doing, a lot of people are doing the same thing. A lot of people, you don't find a lot of people doing different things. And it's because the platform is so big. So it is kind of hard to try to figure out what you can do different to set yourself apart. But once you figure it out, just go. I would say another thing that you should do is to stay consistent. I struggle with that still, and this is like, what, 2-3 years in maybe? And being consistent is key, because if you don't be consistent, people that do watch you and they feel like you say you're going to post at this time, but you don't, or you're going to go, you know, I'm going to start doing lives around this time or whatever, and you don't do it, then they start losing interest. They start looking for somewhere else to go. I struggle with staying consistent because I have a lot of stuff going on. I got a lot of stuff to do. YouTube is not my only thing that I do. If it was, I still probably wouldn't be consistent anyways. Another thing that I would say, when you're trying to figure out what you want your channel to be about, unless you know for sure that you're going to be doing this one specific thing. Like for instance, if you're going to be doing DIY, unless you know for sure that you're just going to be strictly doing DIY, don't say your channel is about DIY. Just say, if you're unsure, the safest thing to say is you're a lifestyle channel, because under a lifestyle, many things can come. You can do makeup, you can do cooking, you can do vlogs, and no one can say nothing about it because it's a lifestyle channel. Now, if you say you're a DIY and then you try to do a vlog, the crowd that you get, they're going to be DIYers. So they're going to be wondering, why are you doing a vlog? And this is a DIY channel. And then people are going to start getting mad at you, this, that, and the other. And you're going to cause all this confusion for nothing. But there's different categories that you can fall under. You can go under DIY, home decor, beauty, vlogging, gaming. There's lots of categories. So don't feel so eager to tie yourself down to one. Because what you think that you want to do, you may actually want to do something else once you get into it. Some crowds are a lot tougher than other crowds as well. So be mindful of that too. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people will agree with what I'm saying. Being on YouTube is difficult, especially when you haven't met the goals and stuff. So you're gonna want to try to find out what you want to do and stick with it and stick it out. Also, thumbnails. A lot of people say your thumbnail has to be this, it has to be that. I will say make it eye appealing, but I mean, I don't feel like you have to pour your life into it, like what people make it seem. I make thumbnails, but I'm not the best thumbnail person out there, nor do I try to be. It's just a thumbnail. I feel like the thumbnail should just pretty much tell give a slight little, story of what this video is going to be about that piques some interest. So give a story, but don't give the story away, kind of thing. Make sure that you are on social media. You need to find some type of social media to be on so that you can connect further with your subscribers. Most people do Instagram. Some people do Twitter. I'm not that big on Twitter. It's just stupid to me, I think. Also, collabing is really, really good. It introduces you to another YouTuber's platform, which introduces you to their audience, and vice versa. So that gets you exposure. So collabing will be really good. Also, starting your own tag. If you start your own tag and it takes off and other people start doing it, then it'll draw people back to you because you'll be the originator of the tag. Let me skip through this part, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back on. So I did my face, did my contour, my highlight. Back to what we were talking about. Be active on other people's channel, okay? Don't think, most of this YouTube world is filled up with other YouTubers. So don't think that you gonna get a bunch of people that don't, you know what I'm saying, do YouTube. They want your support too. So, it'll be nice if you could support someone else. Also, if this is your, first time doing YouTube, don't worry about your intro. You can work on that. Just get your first video out there. And when you get your first video out there, don't wait for that to do numbers to then say, hey, I'm gonna wait to see what this one do. Then no. Get your first video out there and then get your next video out there. Like, don't waste no time. Just dish them out. Get you a little notebook, or you can use Evernote. That's what I started out with. And write down every video that you want to do, every idea that you have, and do them. And you don't even have to, have them public. You can wait. Just go ahead and do the video, edit it, get it up to YouTube, and save it for a later date. Then at least on your off weeks where you just, because all of us have it, you don't feel like recording all the time. So on your off weeks, at least you have something that's already uploaded, that you've already recorded, that you've already edited. All you gotta do is hit schedule the date, time, or just post it. Super easy. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about getting you a channel, that's great, that's awesome. Comment below so that I can check you out, because I would love to, you know, check out new people, help bring new people up. I know that I'm not a huge YouTuber, so you probably thinking, how you gonna help me and you ain't even got a big following? It's not about that. Don't chase big followers, you know? Chase people that support you. That's what it's about, support. So, and I have people that I support who really support. So you never know where your blessings can come from. So, like I said, these are some very quick tips that I just formulated in this makeup video. So I hope that you enjoyed them. I hope that you can learn from them. I hope that they help you in your YouTube journey. And for people who have already started a YouTube channel and it just didn't go anywhere at this point in time, maybe you can use these tips and formulate these tips into your plan that you're already using, and maybe, you know, you can get to the next level where you want to be. So 2020 is coming, guys. Let's get this thing popping. Let's get it going. I welcome all new up-and-coming YouTubers and, you know, people that are already on YouTube. Comment below, mingle below, get to know each other, and let's support each other in 2020. Let's not make this YouTube platform all about you. You know, like I said, we can all get a piece of the YouTube pie. So it's all about support and how you take it and how you give it back out. So in 2020, support another YouTuber. And guess what? I guarantee you, what? I guarantee that you'll get that support back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm really liking it. I didn't think it would come together this good, but it came together. Your girl is glowing. Hey, on my eyes, I used I'll put it in the description box below what I used for everything. If you've watched my channel before, you pretty much already know. However, I apply things a lot differently now. I do. He has a lot to say, you guys. You guys, 2020 is coming. Let's bring in the new year, right? And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.